Ascending the fraction ladder. Learn to order fractions. Hello, English learners. Today we'll delve into the fascinating world of fractions, specifically ordering fractions from least to greatest. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what fractions are, but you'll also be able to arrange them in order with ease. So, let's start our journey. Before we start ordering fractions, let's refresh our memories on what a fraction is. A fraction is a way of expressing a quantity that is less than a whole. It is composed of two numbers separated by a line. The number on top is called the numerator, representing the part of the whole we have. The number at the bottom is called the denominator, representing how many equal parts make up the whole. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. This tells us that we have 3 out of 4 equal parts. The real challenge begins when we start to compare fractions. It's important to know that we can only compare fractions directly when their denominators are the same. If the denominators are different, we need to find equivalent fractions with common denominators first. For example, if we compare 1/2 and 3/4, since the denominators are different, we need to find a common denominator. The smallest number that both 2 and 4 divide evenly into is 4. So we convert 1/2 to 2/4. Now we can easily see that 3/4 is greater than 2/4. Now that we understand how to compare fractions, let's learn how to order them from least to greatest. Step 1. Identify the fractions to be ordered. Step 2. Find a common denominator for all the fractions. This might take some time, but don't worry. The key is to find the least common multiple of all the denominators. Step 3. Convert each fraction to an equivalent fraction with the common denominator. Step 4. Compare the numerators. Remember, once the denominators are the same, the fraction with the larger numerator is the larger fraction. Step 5. Arrange the fractions in ascending order based on their numerators. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to order fractions from least to greatest. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering fractions. So, don't hesitate to put this knowledge to use and start working on some problems. Happy learning, and see you in our next video where we will continue to explore the fascinating world of numbers.